relax me, these pockets thick. Put my seat out at the table, I sit first, I'm boss, bitch. Tell me, nigga, what you thinking? Tell a waitress, brain ain't even taking shot after shot, so you know just where I'm getting. Going in on this nigga, he see pussy, I see figures, I don't see nothing wrong with mixing business with some pleasure. Make that nigga count it out. I see him, just bring him out until it's in my hand. We just only speaking hype.
Today I will be using these brushes, this pack of combs, put some oil in my hair. You don't ever want to do your hair dry or unmoisturized. You want your hair to be protected at all times. I'll be using some mousse and some hairspray. And for edge controls, I'm going to be using this 24-hour edge tamer, Pro Style, and some edge booster, along with my edge brush and comb. So to do a high ponytail on my hair, I start off by doing sections because it's easiest that way. So now that we got our hair ends to the ponytail, you see it's all nice and slick. We will now get into opening our bundle. I got this color is an ombre fuchsia thing going on at the bottom, and then this one is all black. So this is how the hair looks. This is in a color 1B, and it was only she's only $6.99. Here you see me just separating off the pieces of hair that I'm going to be feeding into the braid. On top, my hair, I didn't record it, but I just separated my ponytail into 3 sections and gelled it off. That way it'll be easier to start the braid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch this hair because we really want this braid to be long. And I didn't realize that this hair, the bundle was so thin, so I only got 2 packs. Next time I'm gonna get like 3 or 4 because I like long, thick braids. What you see me doing off the camera is just brushing the hair, brushing the curls out the hair. This is just so it like, look, let me just show y'all. Because we're going to be braiding it on our hair, like into our hair. So you want to cover all of your hair. Try to flip it so the fake hair is on top and the real hair is underneath. And I have color, so I want to make sure that I hide that color. I hold it like this, longer on one side, because I want my braid to be as long as possible. See how that color's still showing? We don't want that, so I'm going to start.
6.5 hours later.
I got a weird shaped head, but she laid, honey. Now we doing something right. You see how I have 3 sections of the fake hair and 3 sections of my hair? I'm literally just putting that on top of my hair and braiding, making sure to cover my real hair with the fake hair as much as possible. That's why you see me flipping and doing all of these flips and twists and gymnastics with the hair. That's also why I had to gel my hair in the 3 sections prior to braiding, because it'd be easier to tuck if your hair is slick. So try to get your hair as slick as possible. It'd be way easier. Y'all, while I'm looking at this video, I'm like, where did my scarf go? Like, but don't even trip, because them flyaways are going to get brushed up and slicked back into that ponytail, okay? I just wanted to let you know, when you're braiding your hair, make sure you're braiding on the side you want your braid to hang. This was on my left side, so if you want it on your right side, braid on the right. You want it on the left, braid on the left. You want it to the back, braid it to the back. And if for some odd reason you want it to the front, girl, braid it to the front. It ain't nothing but... Okay, here you see how I'm adding it from the back. Look at me struggling. Look at me. It's going to take a while to get used to, but you just keep doing it. When you add in that hair, add that hair to the back of the braid. To the back of the braid, never the front, okay? The back of the braid, okay? It might take a few times to get this braid right, no cap. I did this braid over a few times, baby. It takes practice. Practice makes perfect. Don't get mad, keep going.
Like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know.
Here you just see me knotting off my braid to secure the end of the braid. This is optional. You do not have to do this, although I do advise you do this, but it's up to you.
So something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes.
What you're seeing me do is gently picking and pulling at my braid to make it more thicker. I will not do this where your hair stops.
That I learned all by myself. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems.
I still don't know where my scarf went. Like, I've been trying to figure out this whole time. I would suggest while doing this braid, you keep your scarf on all the way until you're dressed and ready to go. Take your pictures or whatever you're doing, okay? Don't take that scarf off. Leave that scarf on, baby. Leave it on. So I'm back. Here's how the braid is looking. I'm about to curl it in with this wand. I literally just had to clean my whole room. Like, hold on, wait. That shit just burnt off. New plan. I'm back again. I just twirled it around the straw and tied it. See this thing coming off my hair. So yeah, I just had to clean my whole room because I was so irritated trying to do my hair because someone just canceled on me for my makeup. So I was like, girl, basically just did your hair for nothing. But then I'm like, girl, you don't even wear makeup. So it really ain't no thing. It really ain't no thing. So you just leave your hair in this for a little bit. You don't want to take it right out. You want the curl to form, have some time to form. So we can start working on our edges. I'm gonna be using this edge booster for my edges. This is really cute. I'm really liking it. It's like, these hecka cute. $2.99, $3 at the beauty supply where I'm at. I'm pretty sure you can find these where the beauty supply you're at. If not, go to the next one. So I know I don't got a lot of edges to work with, but these aren't even my edges. Like, I feel like edges are those long hairs. These are baby hairs. And I don't have a lot of these. But what I do got, baby, I could work it.
Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting a pictures. Trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
Wanna be my wifey,